Hello everyone, welcome to Ideabox Creations YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can make your links look better with the link effects widget of the PowerPack add-on for Elementor. Since we'll be using the PowerPack add-on for Elementor, make sure you have the Elementor page builder and the PowerPack add-on for Elementor installed and activated on your website. You can find the download links for both the plugins in the description box down below. For this tutorial, we'll be adding a custom link with the link effects widget on this section. You can go to the page where you want to add the link effect and open it using the Elementor editor. Now look for the link effects widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner and drag and drop it on the page wherever you want to add it. Let's see how you can customize this link to make it more appealing. For the settings, you get two options, content and style. In the content tab, you get link effects options. Here, you can change the text, link for the text, effect from the drop down, HTML tag and alignment. Here I am changing the text, adding the link that I want to show. For the effects, you can simply click on the drop down option and select the effect that you want to show. There are loads of effects to choose from and you can simply select the one that you want to show and it will be added automatically. Further, you get the option to select the HTML tag and the alignment for your link effect. Now coming to styling, you can customize the typography, color, background color and the border color for your link effect easily from the settings. Here I am making a few quick adjustments to the options so it blends in well with the rest of the design. So once you are done making all the changes, click on the update button or the publish button to make the changes live. This is what our link effects looks like after making all those changes. Let me know what you think of the link effects widget of PowerPack add-on for Elementor in the comment section down below. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe for more Elementor related content. Thank you for watching.